Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss B. It is the end of our Three Little Pigs week, and I have one more story for you. Once again, you know Miss B finds all these different versions of the fairy tales, so here's our last version of the Three Little Pigs. The Three Little Fish and the Big Bad Shark! Told you I could find a good one. Ken Geist is our author and Julia Gordon is our illustrator. So the Three Little Fish and the Big Bad Shark. You just have to say shark that way. What can I say? Three little fish and the... Can you guess what it is? Big Bad Shark. Once upon a time, there lived a mama fish and her three little fish, Jim, Tim, and Kim. It is now time, said the mama, for each of you to make a home in the deep blue sea. So off they went. The first little fish named Jim swam away and met a seahorse playing in some seaweed. Can I have some of the seaweed so I can build a house? Take as much as you care, said the seahorse. Jim gathered the seaweed and made a weedy little house. Oops. Did you think he was going to find straw under the ocean? Jim had just finished building his seaweed house when he heard the big bad shark knocking at the door. Little fish, let me come in. The little fish trembled and replied, Not by the skin of my finny fin fin. Then I'll munch and I'll crunch and I'll smash your house in, roared the shark. So the big bad shark munched and he crunched and he ate every bit of the seaweed house. And Jim swam away just in time. Yay! Soon Jim found his brother Tim and said, Don't worry, Jim, we fish stick together. Fish stick together. He can help me build I'm laughing so much I'm not paying attention. Sorry, here we go again. You can help me build a sandy little house. Jim and Tim had just started to relax in the sandy little house when the big bad shark came knocking at the door. Little fish, let me come in. To which the brave little fish replied, Not by the skin of my finny fin fin. Then I'll munch and I'll crunch and I'll smash your house in, roared the shark. So the big bad shark munched and he crunched till he got a sandy mouthful of and the house all crumbled down. Jim and Tim swam and swam until they reached their sister Kim. Kim was setting up her house in an old wooden ship. The big bad shark destroyed our houses. Don't worry, you can live with me, Kim, said Kim, and they did. The three little fish had just finished lunch when they heard the big bad shark knocking at their door. Little fish, let me come in. To which the smart fish replied, Not by the skin of our finny fin fin. Then I'll munch and I'll crunch and I'll smash your house in, roared the shark. The big bad shark munched and he crunched, but he could not smash the house in, and all his teeth fell out. The three little fish were safe at last. And that's the end of The Three Little Fish and the Big Bad Shark by Ken Geist and Julia Horton. So, snip, snap, snap. 3 Little Pigs Week's all told out. Have a great weekend, kindergarten. See you next week. Bye.